Hi everyone, today we are going to be taking a look at Chrome OS Flex, which is an operating system to revive old computers. So first of all, I'm going to show you what you need. So you need the computer you are going to be installing this on. Then you will need a USB drive. I'm going to use a hard drive, but just some sort of USB drive, and it must not have any important information on it because it will be erased. And then, so the computer will also be erased. And then you either need the computer to be operable to start with, or you need to use another computer. This computer is operable, but I'm going to use a different one anyway. So let's get into how to do this. So first of all, what you want to do is head over to the link in the description where you can see the certified models list. So what you want to do is find your computer on here. It may not be on here, but you can try it whether or not it is. But basically this just shows you like what's going to work. So there's verified to work, minor issues expected, and major issues expected. So we can go through the brands, and we can see the different models they have. So I'm going to be demonstrating this on, I guess it's not on here, but a MacBook Pro 7.1. They have 7.1. This is just the MacBook, but it should be the same. But you can just see like there's all kinds of different ones here. So if you have one of these, then it's probably not recommended that you do this because there will be major issues. So once you figure out your model, what you want to do is head over to the second link in the description, and you want to, this is a utility and you want to add this to Chrome. So you must be using Chrome to do this. So Chromebook Recovery Utility. And then what you want to do is click here and click Recovery Utility. So then you want to plug in your USB drive, and it must be 8 GB or larger. Click Get Started. And then you want to select a model from a list. You want to do manufacturer, Google Chrome OS Flex. Product, Google Chrome OS Flex, developer unstable. So when you're watching this, there may be a stable release, and if there is, you want to select that. So this is currently kind of in testing, but it should run pretty well anyway. So what you want to do is continue, and then for some reason it's not detecting the drive. Okay, a hard drive doesn't work, I guess, so I inserted a USB stick. Let's select that right there, click continue. And so it will erase everything on this USB drive. So you do create now. This can be used to install Chrome OS on multiple computers. Approve this message right here. And you must also enter your password. I don't think Windows will ask you for your password. Alright, so it is done right here. So what you want to do is remove the USB stick now. And you want to stick it in the computer you are installing this on. And then you want to press a key during boot. So this depends on your computer. You want to get into the boot menu. So make sure your computer is powered off. For Macs, you hold down Option. So I'll put up on the screen different keys to press. Most of the time you just want to keep hitting the key until it gets into the boot menu. Anyway, so once you get into the boot menu, let me just try this right here. You basically want to select your USB drive to boot off of. So you can see right here, this is called EFI boot, but it's got the USB drive logo. Usually this will just be kind of like a text thing, but on Macs it's like this in a GUI. So you want to just select that drive and it will start booting up. After a moment, you will come to this screen. So what you want to do is click Get Started. And then what you can do is install Cloud Ready 2.0 or try it first. So if you install it, it will erase everything on your computer. Just keep that in mind. I'm going to try it first, but it should be fairly straightforward if you install it. Alright, so I'm in a guest session right here. I just figured out that Wi-Fi does not work on this model. And also the graphics are very glitchy and often have issues. So they are working to improve things such as those. But just know that if your model is not fully supported, you may not have a good experience. But anyway, I hope that these helped you revive an old laptop. I highly recommend using these to revive any old laptops you may have lying around, or really desktops, although this is mainly oriented at laptops. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing. Until next time, it's Fortnite Kiwi.